understand the difference between a plain slab of concrete or any other material and that of the folded plates, and how folded plates are better than a flat slab for large span structures, for the huge buildings, the buildings with huge spaces and huge rooms. For such buildings, how the folded plates are better than a flat kind of a slab, the plain slab, right? So to understand that, we will take an example. This is just a thin paper, right? Now consider that we are using four supports and supports here at the corners and trying to place this paper on those four vertical supports. So you will notice that because the paper is thin, it will try to like maybe sag like this or bend like this, right? Or it will not show any stability as such, stiffness as a slab, right? At the same time, let me try to fold it like this. The same paper with the same thickness, with the same specifications, no change at all. All I am doing is simply trying to fold the paper. This is a very common thing which most of us, most of you people might have done as we used to play in school or like that. See, the same thin paper, if we just fold it like this and now try to like rest it on four end supports or corner supports, this will be a better form or a better kind of surface to remain self sufficient and stable as compared to the plain slab, plain flat slab. Can you understand this concept? Let me know. Can you understand this concept? And the difference between a plain slab and this folded plate slab, right? So hopefully this example makes the picture clear that how for big spaces, for huge spaces, instead of taking a plain slab, if we go for a folded plate kind of a roof or a slab, that would offer better strength and better rigidity as compared to a plain slab, right? So that is how we can just develop a basic understanding of different shapes and profiles of the roofs for from NATA point of view, NATA 2 point of view, and also from JEE BR's examination point of view. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll take a class in the evening. I'm trying to take regular classes now. We need to speed up and trigger up for the exam. So let's hope that tomorrow evening we'll again meet with some few more topics and also with the revision sessions. Okay, that's all for today. Take care. Have a good day. If you have any queries, you can ask. Otherwise,